As a content creator, I constantly seek the best tools to enhance my video production quality. With the recent launch of the DJI Ronin 8K, it's essential to compare it with its predecessor, the DJI Ronin 4D, to understand the advancements and whether it's worth the upgrade. The most striking difference is the resolution. The Ronin 8K, as the name suggests, offers an 8K resolution, a significant leap from the 4D's 6K. This upgrade means crisper, more detailed footage, especially beneficial for professional-grade productions where every detail counts. DJI's Ronin series is renowned for its stabilization capabilities. The Ronin 4D set a high standard with its 4-axis stabilization. The Ronin 8K builds upon this, offering refined stabilization algorithms. This improvement is particularly noticeable in dynamic shooting scenarios like tracking fast-moving subjects or navigating through tight spaces. In terms of design, the Ronin 8K maintains the robust build quality of the 4D but with ergonomic enhancements. These changes make the device more comfortable to handle during extended shoots, an essential factor for creators like me who spend long hours on set. Battery efficiency is crucial for field work. The Ronin 8K shows improvements in power management, providing longer shooting durations on a single charge compared to the Ronin 4D. This feature means less downtime and more productivity. User experience often dictates the usability of such advanced equipment. The Ronin 8K boasts an intuitive interface, making it easier to access various functions and settings. This ease of use is a significant step up, especially for creators who need to adjust settings quickly in the field. With upgraded features, the Ronin 8K comes at a higher price point. However, considering the enhancements in resolution, stabilization, and user experience, the increase in cost can be justified for professionals looking for top-tier equipment. It's a significant investment, but for the quality and capabilities offered, it's a worthwhile one. The Ronin 8K introduces several new features like advanced tracking capabilities and improved connectivity options, which were not present in the Ronin 4D. These additions enhance the overall filming experience, providing more flexibility and creative freedom. In conclusion, the DJI Ronin 4D 8K marks a significant advancement over the Ronin 4D. While the 4D remains a solid choice for high-quality video production, the 8K steps it up with higher resolution, better stabilization, and user-friendly features. For professionals seeking the cutting edge in video technology, the Ronin 4D 8K is a compelling upgrade. However, for those who are still satisfied with the 4D's performance, it remains a reliable and high-quality option. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, comment down below to share your thoughts, and if you want more comparison video.